a cold, rainy day today. I'm gonna fire up the garage. We need to get a fire going in the wood stove. Let's walk out to. Let's walk outside. I got a barrel of dry kindling. We'll go get that in a minute. Get a fire started. Gotta get some kindling out of the barrel. It's getting low. I'm just reach in here and get some. Whoa! Well, he's mad. He's big time mad. Camera won't focus. He's big time mad. There he is. So there's the Garage Gremlin. He's the guy that steals all the 10mm wrenches, sockets, and expensive parts I just bought before I get to put them on. Well, we're going to let him out of here. Alright, here we go. He's pissed. He's pissed. Look at him, he's mad. Come on, buddy, you need to get out of here. Look at him. That's one big rat. Lester the possum. Okay, buddy, I'm going to tip you over and you're going out. You're going home. See if he's coming out. Oh, yeah, he's coming out. Time to get out there, bud. Come on, we'll let you out. We're going to dump you out. Come on, away you go. There he goes. Boy, he's a big one. Look at him go. Now that he's gone, let's see what he's trying to steal. Oh, there's some stuff in there. Let's dump that crap out. Oh, I see some wrenches. Let's see what he's trying to get. Look at that, 10mm. Looks like an 8. My ratchet. Another wrench. Let's see what other parts. Fuse. Oh yeah, I remember looking for that one. And a seal, I remember looking for that one. See what else he got. Oh, another one. Man, what a gremlin. Let's see what he got. Let's see what I got back. Let's see. I got 3 10mm wrenches, 10mm ratchet, and 3 nice little expensive Honda parts. We know who the Garage Gremlin is now. You know, I'm really surprised there wasn't more 10mm sockets and stuff, but there's a bunch of dirt in the bottom of this thing. Let's just stir this up a little bit. Uh-oh. Yep. He was burying them in here. I'm going to have to dump this thing out once I loosen this old dirt up. Look at that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There's an 8, 4, 5. A deep well. Deep well 10. Well, that's some of them. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh my God. Any more left in the bottom? I don't think so. I think you got them all back. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Well, now we know. Now we can fill the toolbox back up again. See if there's any more laying in there. Well, at least we got some back. You know, if he dropped that many, I wonder how many he had left in his pouch. So here's all the stuff I recovered from the Garage Gremlin. Man, he was a thief. He sure took a lot of tools. No wonder I can't find my stuff. Hey, I'm real happy I found all these tools back. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.